Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we are going to make a very tasty and different dish, that is grilled banana stem. Buy a banana stem, clean it and cut it to rounds and put it in water and add little buttermilk to the water and leave it for about 5 minutes in the water. When the color will become clear, in a plate take 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix all the powders well together. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and mix the powders with the oil. Mix it well so that everything is well mixed. Mix everything well and add 1 tablespoon of curd to it. Mix well. If you like it to be tangy, you may add half a lemon juice with the curd. Mix well. Add about 2 tablespoons of water and keep it in this consistency to marinate the banana stem. Now add the banana stem to water, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of buttermilk and half a teaspoon of salt and cook it. Banana stem will cook very fast in about 3 to 4 minutes. When you use a knife and prick it, it will be soft and done. You may test it with your hands also, it will be soft. Now you may remove the excess fiber that will be on the top if it is there. So buy a proper banana stem which does not have too much of fiber in it. Clean it well and now arrange the banana stem pieces in a plate and add the masala on top of it. Let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Put it on one side, apply the paste on one side and leave it to marinate. Now in a tawa, add 1 tablespoon of oil and see that the oil is spread all over the tawa. Keep it on medium flame and let the oil become hot. When the oil is hot, add the banana stem, put the masala part down on the tawa, arrange all the pieces and then apply the rest of the masala paste on the other side of the banana stem also. Leave it for about 5 minutes, then turn it and cook it for another 5 minutes. When the banana stem will be well cooked and all the oil will be absorbed by the banana stem, banana stem will become soft and the masala will also be well cooked. Turn it on both sides. It will not be crispy, it will be soft. This is a very tasty and a very different way of making banana stem. It will be very tasty and very nice. After taking it out, you may cut a small piece and see all the juice and all the masala will all be well mixed. It will be very tasty. Banana stem is very good for health and really very good for kidney stones. You may arrange it in a plate with onions, tomatoes and garnish with coriander leaves. This is a very tasty and different dish. I am sure every one of you will try this and comment without fail. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, press the bell icon and click the all option, when you will get notification for all the videos that I post. I am sure everyone will make this and comment without fail. Your comment is great support to my channel. Let's meet in the next video.